Hi, I'm Dave with Caliber Equipment. What I'd like to do is take a couple minutes and talk to you a little bit about this sweeper right here. This particular machine is from Mach, one of the many manufacturers that we handle, and this is in the compact push sweeper category. There are self-propelled and there are battery-powered sweepers out there, but what Mach has done is added a feature on this category machine: compact, easy to use, no battery, no electric. It is strictly a push sweeper. But what makes it a little unique of all the other machines out there is it has an actual dust filtering system. And when I go through the machine, I'll show that to you. This overall is a 28-inch cleaning pad. It's a forward throw, but it also has a rear dump. So you're picking up the heavy debris in the front and the fine dust goes overthrow to the back. So if you've got small debris in your facility on a smooth floor, this may be the right idea to get away from pushing a broom. And now you've got a machine that's very productive, does a great job, and again, there's no batteries, no cords, so it's a simple push machine. That way it gets the job done quicker and frees your people up to do other projects in your facility. Let me take a minute and I'll walk you through this machine. As you can see on the front, it has a curved broom. As you push it, obviously this is going to rotate, throws the debris under the front of the machine for the main broom. When you're not doing edge work, this just simply flips back out of the way. As you go through the machine, you'll notice all the parts are very simple to replace when they wear down. On the side broom, you have 3 simple nuts there to access and replace the broom when necessary. What does all the work is your main broom underneath. You have a front hopper, and by simply moving these 2 latches, this simply lifts out. And now you can see the debris we picked up. So it doesn't matter whether it's fine dust, wood shavings, pallet chips, metal shavings, all that goes right into this hopper. Now you can see the main broom, which is flicking the debris forward, and it is adjustable. So depending on the texture of your floor, the weight of the debris, you can simply adjust this up and down as necessary. On the back of the machine is what makes this unique from the other ones out there in the market. By simply opening up this latch, this rear compartment comes out. So now, as you can see, you have a rear hopper, so any debris that was light that didn't flip forward was overthrown into the back. So I actually have a front and a rear hopper on this particular machine, so it's very effective whether it's light debris or heavy debris going into one of the 2 hoppers. The broom that you have here, you see it's got different bristles. One are a little softer for light broom, and the other one's a little stiffer for the heavier debris. But what really sets this machine apart from the other ones out in the market is you have an actual reusable dust filter. Most all the manual push machines out there, they'll all sweep, but you're gonna get dust, and now you've defeated the purpose of why you wanted to move away from a push and a broom. With this filter, and as it pushes, it spins an impeller in here, so it pulls the dust through this filter. And all you do, simply pop it off. I can then blow it out and simply insert it back onto the machine, and I'm ready to go. So again, you notice you got the big main broom for your heavy sweeping. You have a dust filter, which makes push machines in this category, having that on the Mach machine, unique. We have a rear compartment for the heavy debris, and the majority of your dirt's going to go into the front. So again, if you're looking to get away from pushing the broom, no matter what your floor surface is for light debris, this will greatly increase your productivity, save you money, put your people into doing other jobs. Instead of pushing a broom, we pick it up here and control the dust. This is the Mach MEP. So, any questions, further information, give us a call. Caliber Equipment, 888-550-0945. And thanks for watching.